welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, the Antiguan Mommy, and if it is that you've clicked on this video, then you already know what we're going to be talking about. I will be sharing with you 10 apps that you can use when creating your YouTube content that will benefit you to make your overall experience on YouTube better for you and your viewers. So if it is that you are interested, then stay tuned, and that's on period. Hey guys, by the intro you already know what it is, so I'm gonna just jump right into it. And I have my little notes here, so I'm gonna be looking down from time to time because then I can't remember everything off my head, and I might want to elaborate on some of these apps and let you know what's going on. So without further ado, and I will be leaving a bonus at the end of the video, so if it is that you are interested, then stay tuned and make sure you watch to the end. Let's get into it. So the first app is KineMaster. If it is that you film on your mobile device and you're worrying about creating awesome edits, you want to do different transition, you want to insert graphics, you want to put GIFs in, you want to put in sound clips, KineMaster is the app for you. My personal preference, and I mean I have used KineMaster, but it's not my number one. My number one is Pro Director. Even to this day, that is the app that I use, and you'll probably see the watermark from time to time on my bottom part of my video. You can pay for a subscription or you can just go use it for free. With the subscription, you have the ability to use everything that they offer on the app. With the normal subscription, where you get the app and just download it and use it, you are limited to some transitions and some things that you can do, but you still can edit your videos and still create something awesome. It will just have the watermark. That doesn't stop me from creating, it doesn't stop me from using the app. So bear in mind that if you don't want the watermark at the bottom saying Power Director, then you can pay to have it removed. Or if it doesn't bother you like it doesn't bother me, then you can leave it there. The next app is YouTube Studio. You want to install YouTube Studio on your phone. You need to have YouTube Studio on your phone. This is how you will be able to see your analytics. You will answer comments, you can edit your thumbnails, you can view your watch time, you can view your everything. You can do it from YouTube Studio. When it comes to creating thumbnails and good high quality thumbnails, yes, this is on your phone. You can use the Photoshop app that they have for mobile device. If you are not on your computer, or since you're on your phone and this is about mobile device, there is Canva. Hands down, I swear by Canva, I live and die. Canva, anything I want to do graphic wise and I'm not on my computer or I'm not at home to use my computer, I use Canva. Canva is the app for you. They have a desktop version that you can also use, but you can create logos, business cards, thank you cards, websites, you can create books, magazines, everything in Canva. They have free templates that you can use, and that also has a paid subscription. So if it is that you want more flexibility, you can pay. If not, you can utilize the free version and create. There's also PixArt, there's PicMonkey, there's a lot of these editing apps that you use on your mobile phone to edit your pictures or join your pictures together. A lot of them you can create your thumbnail, but Canva and PicMonkey and PixArt are my top 3 picks. For storage, you're going to need somewhere to store your videos when you've recorded and edited them, and there's 2 places that you can use. You can use Google Drive. You can also use Dropbox. You're going to need these to upload your videos because your videos will take up space on your phone, and take this from me, it takes up a lot of space. You're going to need them because it takes up a lot of space, and if you don't want to be deleting your apps, deleting your pictures and your music to store videos. Every time it is that you're ready to edit or record a video, you're going to need Dropbox or Google. You can install both if you have good memory, but you can upload them to these external storage devices, and then as you finish uploading and editing your video, you can then go and delete them to have more space in those external saving apps as well. You can also, when recording, trust me, and please note, because a lot of you YouTubers out there, not to bash you, but please note, when you're recording, you need to record your video in horizontal. So your camera needs to be, your phone needs to be positioned in this angle, not like this. Because when you record like this, your video is going to be posted on YouTube in this direction. This defeats the purpose. You want to place your phone in a horizontal direction. Use your camera, which is at the top, and record if you're recording in a forward facing motion or direction. You're going to want to use your back camera to record your videos, so bear that in mind. That is just an insert there. The next app that you're going to want to use, and this is for a lot of us who plan on showcasing products in our videos, or if it is that you're going to be showing stuff, this is just my fan, but to keep your exposure on your camera or on your video set, you're going to want to utilize open camera, and that is the bonus, because I use it from time to time. Sometimes, honestly, I just want to get my videos done and I do not utilize open camera, but it is an awesome app to have. It gives you even more quality to your video. It's sharp, and you get to lock your screen, lock your exposure when you finish setting your camera. So regardless of if you change your shirt, or you come closer to the camera, or you go further away, your colors and your setting does not change, and that is really an awesome feature to have in your videos. So the last app that I'm going to tell you about is VLLO, and that is also a great editing app that you can use when getting your videos done for YouTube. So guys, most importantly, you need your Power Director, you need your YouTube Studio, you need Canva, you need your external memory, which is Google Drive or Dropbox, and Tubidy. Tubidy is going to be your savior when you get your channel, or you already have your channel. If you want to keep track of what tags to use on your videos, if it is that you want to, or you want to track your progress, you want to be a part of a community to get help with your videos. I hope it is that you capitalize on some of these apps, because trust me, they are worth it. If you check my phone, you see my YouTube Studio, you see my Power Director, you see my Canva, you see my Google Drive, you see TubeBuddy, and you will see Open Camera. These are what I use from time. Well, some of them I use from time to time. Some are definite video or apps that I use when it comes to my YouTube, and you need to have them. Is that you enjoyed this video? Drop us a like. Please don't forget to comment. Subscribe if it is that you're really liking this series. Let us know what other videos you would like to see on our channel, and we'll see you again in the next one. Bye.